these fashion companies to account and to demand that governments do more. That's why we're here today. We've taken it upon ourselves to demand. XR Fashion Action Netherlands has been going for about a year now, and recently we did a protest with the Uyghur community in Den Haag. So we've built up this connection with the Uyghur community here in the Netherlands, and what they say is that they want change now. Some of them have family members who are in the camps now. It's not enough just to pay lip service. We need people to stop their ties with the Uyghur camps. Stop their cotton imports and exports. Stop profiting from enslaved labour. It's disgusting and it's not okay. Robin mentioned the Coalition to End Enforced Labour in the Uyghur region. This is a group of organisations, 70 of them are Uyghur organisations, and they've come up with a call to action for fashion brands to sign, which will ensure they stop their profiting from this Uyghur labour. It's already working. Recently H&M have stopped their ties. We have to still make sure we hold them to account and make sure that they do it, but it shows that this people power, this rallying cry for change is working, and that's why we're here today. We want CNA to do the same. But it's not just about CNA, they're one of many targets we could have chosen, yeah? It's the fashion industry at large that is corrupt, it's rotten to the core. And we need instrumental, transformative changes in this industry and in all industries in this capitalist system, but particularly the fashion industry. And we need the change now. It's not enough to pay lip service, like I said. We need justice. We need the justice for the Uyghurs, because what has happened to them is not okay. And the fact that people, consumers, can go into stores like this and purchase clothes and unknowingly be contributing to a genocide of this scale in 2020 is disgusting, and I won't stand for it, and no one here will stand for it. Okay. So I say, justice for Uyghurs!
Justice for Uyghurs!
Freedom for Uyghurs!
Free the Uyghurs!
Justice for Uyghurs!
Yeah!
Thank you.